Good morning, everyone. I'm Paul J from Crypto Traders Arena. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Today it's Monday, June 17. Let's start this week nice and clean, protecting capital and framing clear setups. So I'll start with Bitcoin on weekly chart just to see exactly what we have. Good morning, Andrei. Good morning, Robert. Morning, Shogun. Christian, Stefan. Okay, so let's look at Bitcoin on weekly. We are close to get a 3-bar fractal confirmation here. We have the 3-bar fractal. You can see 1, 2, 3 candles, classic one. And if we'll trade below 64,900, that will confirm the 3-bar fractal top. Not there yet, but close enough. We had on lower time frame a retest and the short reload zone. We are short already, but on weekly chart I want to see that 3-bar fractal confirming, kind of a local double top, maybe some retracement, and then to continue higher. We are close to see a trade below this level. On daily, you can draw a clear fib level here from this low to this high and wait at kind of 62 to wait in the long reload zone. I even posted on Discord in the morning. Candle body lows here, good area to watch in the market and see maybe we can get a reversal on lower time frame. On weekly, looks like a clear double top forming. But to be sure that we'll have a big EM and we'll break down, we need to close on weekly basis below 62k. So if we'll accept below, then okay, we have the big EM, we have multiple bearish divergence, we are okay. If you are thinking a lower in a long reload zone. I know Ken is happy seeing this chart. Dump the Ponzi. Okay. And you can see this is the area where I draw my fib, and I'm waiting at 52 with I think this area it's doable. A lot of people will say, well, it's impossible. Well, I don't know. We can get even 61.8 from the entire range if will be the case, and if we'll get some bad news or something will happen. And you can see we had all kind of news in half of year. We still have another half. So even this one is possible at some point in time. So I cannot call anything impossible in crypto, especially in crypto. But level by level, let's see if we'll touch this level. Then let's see if 62 will hold or will not hold. If will not hold, then 52. And from that point, we can reassess. We have a long reload zone. We can think about more. Let's see what we can get this week. Maybe we can get a 3-bar fractal confirmation. Well, that's weekly. If you are looking without anything, clean the chart, well, we have kind of a range here. So yeah, we can, why not play the range game, even test with a week 52 and then bounce right back. It's possible. So let's call it top of the range. And let's say this is the bottom at 56 and we'll get a fake out to 52, touch that level and then bounce straight up. It's possible also. But after a good run, we are going sideways. That's for sure. Okay, let's go on daily chart and let's see what we have. What we can trade, what we can do today. And this week in general. Well, you can see the range here. We are short from 70k. We are nice in profit. Not too many things we can do on daily. We confirm this big M, even if it's not textbook because this is a tick higher, this high, but it's a clear M, you can see it there. My area of interest now will be 62 in the long reload zone here. You can see we closed and we confirm below the neckline. So we'll bounce, possibly. It's possible to bounce, but I could see really easy a week at least to 61.8. That's my view of the market. Looks really weak. We have bearish divergence, we have everything. We talked about these things yesterday in the weekly crypto review. By the way, if you didn't watch the weekly crypto review, go and watch it. We reviewed the coins. It's a short one, I guess below 40 minutes. So, I don't know if you can put more than 1.5 speed on my live streams. I'm not a native English speaker, but I think with 1.5 you can manage to understand me. Okay, so on Bitcoin, I'm thinking lower. If I want to trade, I don't have a location with proper tools. I could go on Holy Grail and trade it with 5-minute chart to the downside. It's possible. You can do that. If I'll go on 4-hour chart, you will see the downtrend forming. Yeah? Lower highs, lower lows, bounced a little bit, and if you lose these levels, will go slowly to and bleed to the long reload zone. So it's possible to play with Holy Grail. I don't see anything special on 4-hour chart on Bitcoin. Just the fact that it's bleeding, slowly bleeding to the downside. What I could see here on RSI, I could see a bullish divergence trying to form. But to confirm, we'll have to climb all the way up here at 60%. Yeah? You can see this will be the W. For the moment is the potential one. And 50, it's like a resistance here. It will not allow RSI to pass from that level. So overall, Bitcoin looks weak. Altcoins even weaker. But let's take a look at Ethereum on daily. Well, it's similar. Similar thing. Short reload zone, multiple ones. Clear EM, breaking down here, retest. Breaking down, retest again of this level. So we have the retest. You can consider now, okay, we are starting to have a downtrend. Stop, well, I think we can stop in the middle of the long reload zone here. Look left and you'll see 3,200, 3,150. That's my level where if the Bitcoin will dump here, I think we can stop a little bit. At least take a break on Ethereum. Definitely we can go lower, and you can see we have some liquidity here. If we'll zoom out, well, if we'll accept below 3,000 or 2,800, then we have a problem. We can go a lot lower. But level by level, no. Level by level, we should think about, okay, we dumped, we pumped back up, we retested this level. We can dump in the long reload zone. So 3,200 is the first level. And then we can reassess. Indicators, well, bearish divergence here in the top. 4-hour chart, let's see what we have. Well, I could see similar bullish divergence here on RSI. You can see lower lows, higher lows on RSI. Even on OBV you can see it. Yeah? So, in the last move down, market said, well, indicators told me that the market is not so weak. We are still fighting at this house level on 4-hour chart, you can see. And the next one, it's lower. But overall, big M, we are starting to print a downtrend, a clear one, clear lower highs and lower lows. Doesn't look too bullish. And I think we need a better retest of these two candles. Maybe I'm wrong, and maybe we'll consolidate here and make a nice W and push higher. Who knows? Okay, Bitcoin dominance. Let's see what we have. Well, on dominance on daily, you can see the EM. This is a nice EM here. You can see it on lower time frames even better. But short reload zone, bearish divergence here on lower time frame, and clear EM. Let me go on 12 hours. I think it's better. Yeah, you can see the M here. Now we are just retesting that M. What will happen? Well, hopefully Bitcoin will bleed slowly to the downside and altcoins will recover a little bit. It's possible. It's not the best, not the most probable scenario, but it's possible. So for the moment, we accepted below this M. what will happen next, we have to watch the market and see what we can get. But it's really respecting the fib levels. You can see if you take a high and low here, respected short reload zone. If you take the next high and the next low, well respected short reload zone. So let's see what will happen next. 4-hour chart, because that will give us some details. Well, I don't have anything here. On 4-hour chart, we already started the downtrend. What will happen? I think we can go sideways. That's the idea. Most probably we'll go sideways between this low and this high, and just go on the sidelines. 55, 50 could be a good level just to go up and down, up and down, up and down. And then we can stay that way until July. July could be a really good month for altcoins. Usually it is. But we still have 2 weeks until July will start. So June usually is not the best one for altcoins. Okay. So Bitcoin dominance, let's see what will happen if it's just a bearish retest here of this EM, or we can push higher. 1 day, and let's see Ethereum versus Bitcoin. You can see we are retesting the EM. What will happen, we don't know, but we have a clear EM here, breaking down a retest. In my view, it's just a bearish retest for the month, and we retested this EM, and we can break down back in the long reload zone. That's my view. Maybe I'm wrong, and Ethereum could push higher. DXY in the range, you can see is trying to accept above 105.5, and then we can play 105.5 to 107. So we have a new range to play around here, and we have some levels here at 106.5 and so on. But overall, well, I still consider this one a range, a big one. Summertime, why not? Let's play around in this big range. Let's take a look at total and total 2. Well, they look similar with Bitcoin. This one, you can see it's similar a lot, but a bit weaker. Total 2, you can see is bouncing from 61.8. But overall, I could see going sideways for the moment. If Bitcoin will break, well, then we can expect 750 billions. Not too many things to do in the overview, because we spoke about the overview yesterday. We are doing an overview every day in these videos, in these live streams. So not too many things to say if you are doing that day by day. Why we are doing that day by day? Because we are traders, and every morning I need to get a grip to get the overview, so I know where I am, what I should look in the market, and I'll start with the overview, and then I'll look for trades in the market. That will keep me grounded without Moon Boy's expectation, without expecting 100 R on my trades and so on, and will give me the clear bias where I should expect support and resistance. Now let's take a look at what we have on 4-hour chart on day trading, swing trading part. So pretty clean here. We should expect Bitcoin here in the long reload zone, and here maybe we can get a general setup, maybe not, who knows. I think we can get a bounce. How strong it will be, I don't know, but back in the short reload zone here at 69,500 will be like a gift if the market will push just to touch or front run the 61.8. Will be a gift for people who want to short. I don't think we'll get it. You can see the market is weak. If you want to trade to the downside, you can activate Holy Grail on 5-minute chart, or you can trade the trend channel. Take the trend channel here, any bounce and touch of the top of the channel, and you can short again. Let's see 1-hour chart. Maybe we can get better overviews. Well, I see some strain here, but I don't think it's enough. So let's stay on 4-hour chart until we'll have something clear. Okay, I'll look at Ethereum. Similar, you can see I have the levels already. $3,220. This is a Wyckoff check, and we'll probably get that. When? I don't know. Maybe even today. Who knows? I think we can test the highs here. Yeah. And we can test the lows here. And if we'll test the lows, I think we can go and take 3,200. That could offer us a nice bounce. So we can pay attention there. We can play a setup there. On 1-hour chart, I don't think is the case to do anything. Clear downtrend. You can see it. Bearish divergence, bearish divergence. Last two moves to the upside was they have bearish divergence. So even now Ethereum has a bit of strength against Bitcoin. If Bitcoin will keep dumping, Ethereum will catch up, that's for sure. Okay, back on 4-hour chart. I don't want to go too low until I'll see a clear setup. I have to see it on 4-hour chart and then I'll go lower. Let's see Solana. Well, we are the other side of the trend line. We touched the long reload zone. We bounced. This W, it's above 61.8, so I'll be honest, it's not the best one to think general setup. If you want to take this one for LJ, well, you can take it if you want, but it's up to you. I'll take this one. No, because I could see here we are the other side of the trend line, yeah, and we formed a channel, and this is the top of the channel, and we can trade all the way down. Not yet. I'll just leave it alone for the moment. BNB, well, if we'll go lower, maybe, but now, no. Doge, you can see it's weak and once in the long reload zone. FET, it's coming home. That's good. A lot of people wanted to buy FET here, and I said no, wait lower. And it's coming home. Let's go on daily. Let's zoom out. Yeah, you can see empty space. We can get at $1. First buying order, then at 80 cents, and then lower. I'll be honest, I'll wait. I'll have more patience. I'm not buying here. Yeah, it's at 61.8, but I'm not buying there. If you'll put the POC, you'll see why I'm not buying there. I don't have the POC here, but you can get the idea. The POC is somewhere here, a lot lower. So, no. I was hoping for a power of 3 for the moment, but no, it's going down. I think we should be patient with FET until we'll see a daily W in the long reload zone. And maybe we can play around. Look left, middle of the long reload zone, you have some support and resistance. We'll hold, we'll bounce, but I don't know if we'll hold. And the next one, it's 70 cents. Back on 4-hour chart. For the moment, you can see how FET is looking. Yeah, clear downtrend. Don't try to catch falling knives. This one could go all the way down to the original place. Matic, no. Dimension, price discovery to the downside is not shiny anymore. You can see, and let's just let it that way. We can go down a lot lower. $1, maybe lower, who knows. We can bounce here, but like I said multiple times, when a coin is new and shiny, everyone will bet, everyone will put out staking, everyone will, well, it's the best thing. After sometime is not new, it's not shiny anymore. New shiny coins will get the public attention, and this one will, the old ones will have to find a bottom. It's that simple. Has to find where nobody is interested to sell anymore. That's the bottom. Well, where you don't have any more sellers, and you can range, you can play around. It's a balance between sellers and buyers. Well, then we'll form a bottom, and even after that, you can get a capitulation candle. And after that, it's your turn to invest. In that area, it's your turn to put your money at work. Not at the top. And I'm keep repeating that. And some people, they just don't want to listen. Hopefully, some of the new people will learn these things. Okay. So that's dimension. You can see. If we lose the level, we can go a lot lower. Alt, similar thing. Similar overview. Nothing I can do here. Joe. Joe is testing the lower part of the long reload zone. We are close to 88.6. I think, like I said, the levels, we can go lower. If we'll bounce, well, we can think power of 3, but it's a bit too early to think like that. Overall, it's Monday. I don't know if it's the best day to, I don't know, to be too aggressive. We can lose these levels, and if Bitcoin will go down, well, that will drag Pixel, for example, a lot lower. We should be patient here. If you don't have a clear setup, let's don't try to front run. Let's not try to outperform, to outsmart the market. Let's just wait. And I'll be honest, looking at all the charts, market looks damn weak. At least for the moment. Things could change until New York, and we can see, for example, here we can see a nice W forming. Market going up at $1.3. But for the moment, you can see it's weak. It's just at the edge of the cliff, waiting to drop. Like I posted on Twitter. Same idea here. Everything looks similar. So I don't see a setup to the upside. I just don't see it. You can see our trade posted the big one, the big M. It's in profit. And seems like we'll test some lower levels. Holy Grail. Not the best scenario. You can see I tried to frame a long here. I was in profit almost at 2 to 1, and now I'm at the neckline. Yeah. My stop loss is still at the original place. I didn't move it, but I think I'll do something like that. I'll close it at scratch or something, because I just don't see the potential anymore. And you can see we have this one, which is kind of trying to do something, but in this environment, it's an exception, an uptrend or any trend. CRV, similar thing on thinking on my side. Everyone was bearish, and late shorters, they must be punished. On this one, I have my stop loss at scratch, so let's see what I could get. I cannot lose money anymore on this one. Okay, so in the rest, let's see how many are still green. Well, not too many. Let's see how many are red. A lot of them. And you can see, you want to play to the short side with Holy Grail? Good luck. Look at this one. Entry, 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 entry. Yeah, so a lot of short side, a lot of bearish setups with Holy Grail. If you want to trade, I will do that. No, I don't want to even look at the short side with Holy Grail on altcoins. I just don't want to do that. Whale on the deck screener, you can see is coming home. Huh? Will bounce here. Is trying to bounce here. If Bitcoin will drop, I think 1.5, 15 cents actually could be a good level. Don't kid yourself. If this one will not die, and I think will not die for the moment, I don't have any reason to think that. This could give us, from this level, from 50 cents, you can have 100x until the top. Or even more. So don't kid yourself. Well, I'm not interested. Well, I don't know. A pizza. I think pizza money, coffee money, weekend money, even. Buy and forget. Don't ask me in the fucking top here where I should buy it, what I should do, when I'm trying to tell you this is a good area. It's not my business what you do with your own money, but this is the area where I'm buying. I bought at 80 cents, I bought at 50 cents, I'll buy at 35 cents, and I'll buy at 50 cents, 15 cents, and that's it. I'll have a full bag, and then I'll wait. That's simple. That's the way you are making money, when you are buying, not when you are selling. If you buy at the right level, you can easily get a sell half on a double, and then you have free coins. After you get in that fucking position to have free coins, you don't care anymore. Okay, and a lot of them, they are looking similar, yeah? They are part of the altcoins. They are really volatile, so they are going down really nice and clean. Even now, Bitcoin is it's kind of testing some levels from Friday. You can see it's trying to test the low. Okay, that's about meme coins and coins on Solana. Now it's time to pay attention. Calendar, we have, at least I have on Trading Economics, 2 important news. One tomorrow, retail sales, and one Thursday, you can see building permits. For the moment, I don't see anything with big impact. So I think we have a safe, quiet week. We should be okay. On Twitter, not too many things that are happening. On Discord, look at the announcement, please. And you can see here we have Capwa 1 starting pretty soon. And it's a fucking good offer. Take advantage if you want. And we have an offer for premium. Yeah, 1 year plus 3 months. Yeah. I think it's again a damn good offer. The rest is up to you. I'm here to tell you levels, and from time to time I'm showing you what we have on Discord. I'm not here to shield you premium. If you want to participate and you are consistent, okay. If not, just don't do it. Stay on free part. If you want to see, you are not a Discord member yet and you want to see what we have, well, join our Discord. You'll have the link in the description, and look at this channel. Here you'll have everything we have for free, for premium, for VIP, for Capwa 1, Capwa 2. Everything is here. Okay, guys. I think that's it. Let's call it a live stream. Let's protect our capital. It's Monday. Don't try to make all the money today. Looks like everything looks weak. So Bitcoin and altcoins, they are looking really weak. For the moment, things could change, but in the same time, we can confirm the weakness and we can go in the long reload zone. We are short on Bitcoin. We have our hedges in the market. At least everyone should have following us. We had multiple touches of this level. We should be short, hedging our portfolio. We even said when the market was here, if we'll be lucky and we'll get a nice bounce back in the short reload zone, we'll short, we'll hedge, we'll do that. Well, if I said it, I respect my plan and I did it. The rest of you, well, not my business what you do with your own money. Okay, let's see the chat. Well, I don't see any requests. I see Stefan telling me something there. Stefan is a damn good scalper and day trader. Okay. Well, we have the last chance challenge for premium for doing dollar cost averaging and buying Andrei. It's all for premium, but I think even that worth 10 times the money you pay for premium. Well, we have a clear spreadsheet, clear plan, all the levels are there, new coins. I don't know if you can get better than that. The rest is up to you guys. Okay, see you in the New York if you are a premium member. If not, tomorrow with the same video. Remember, tomorrow it's for everyone, so probably Stefan will do a live stream, live trading with Stefan. I'll do the same video, and in the New York you will have the Discord meet for all the members. Okay, see you guys. Have a nice day. Have a nice week. Bye bye.